Everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate Wowbutter bark. For this recipe you only need 3 ingredients. First you need 1 pound of white candy coating. I use the white almond bark that comes in 24 ounces, so I still had some left. And then you need 1.5 cups of the creamy Wowbutter, and then 2 cups, which is 12 ounces of the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Okay, so first we are just going to go ahead and melt the white chocolate in the microwave in 30-second increments, stirring each time until it is nice and smooth. Smooth and doesn't have any lumps, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my Wowbutter and just mix it until it is also smooth. This is what it should look like. It does take a while to stir that all in together because you want your Wowbutter to really melt in there with the white chocolate. But now we are just going to apply a thin layer to a parchment lined baking sheet and just spread it pretty thin. Alright, that looks good. And just so everybody knows, I am using a 16 by 12 inch cookie sheet for mine. So let's go ahead and get our chocolate melted in the microwave the same way, just in 30-second increments until it's nice and smooth. That looks really good. So next we're just going to go ahead and drizzle it on top of our other layer, and then we're going to use a knife to swirl it all in. That looks delicious and nice and swirled, so we are going to go ahead and just set it in the refrigerator until it sets. I'm going to check it in about 15 minutes. That is all ready to go. I did end up leaving mine in the refrigerator for 30 minutes because I wanted to make sure it was really set. So I just removed it from my baking sheet, and now I'm just going to break it into chunks. So basically you just want to go ahead and just break big chunks of it off, and you can make them as big or as little as you want. But that looks so good. Let's have Taste Tester have a little taste. Okay, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yum.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Come back and see us again.
Come back and see us again.
Bye.
Bye.